Hello, campus. How are you today? I'm excited to have you on this particular program. Today, I will be introducing to you the Monagree Developer Platform, which is, I think, the next thing on our, it is the third chapter in this particular preliminary course. So, let's get to it. Now, what is Monagree? Why do you need Monagree? What's the point exactly? And why are we doing this? Yes, let's assume you want to build a restaurant. Remember that the example we used then. Okay, let's just go with a new one. Let's say you want to build a food delivery service, a restaurant that has the delivery backend too, that has both eat in and delivery. To build this restaurant, you're going to need a number of things like database, payment, notification, tracking, delivery, security, cart, recommendation algorithm, and an admin dashboard for the restaurant owner to manage their business. Now, this is a lot of work on your part. Building a website for a restaurant should just let you focus on the design and deliver the best value for the customer. Imagine something like this. Sorry, imagine something like this. Let's say imagine. Sorry about that. Let me go again, please. Sorry. Yes, imagine something like Uber Eats. Look at this. Sorry. Look at these designs. Look at how awesome these designs are. Now, you as a developer, you are building a website for someone. You need to be able to focus on what matters, which is this design. Now, not having to worry about worry about all this backend issue. And the thing about this backend issue is that once you finish doing it, you need to maintain them. Let's say you're using Paystack for prepayment, you need to maintain Paystack and make sure you are always calling the APIs the right way. You need to maintain a backend server. It's just a lot of work. So what we do at Monagree is that we do all this work for you and so much more so that you can focus on the front end that matters. Remember when I talked about tools, I said API is what will link the app you're building. API is what will link your restaurant to Monagree. I made an example of Mr. Edison. I saw Edison in the introductory meeting yesterday. You can use the Monagree API to manage this thing. Instead of you having to manage a database, maybe on AWS or Google Cloud, we'll do it for you. And you use the Monagree API to retrieve the information, maybe in a JSON format, so you can show it to the customers on the business website. So Monagree takes care of all this backend for you. Now, what can you do on Monagree? First of all, you can develop websites for people that are asking you to develop website. Let's say there's a popular restaurant in Futa called Scrumptious Meal, and Scrumptious Meal is asking you to develop a website for their business. Instead of you having to worry about all this thing, you can use Monagree to develop it for them. Just send them to the Monagree business app, and then they can just register and upload their products. Another thing you can do with Monagree is to develop for anybody. Monagree has a marketplace for developers where businesses all over Nigeria, all over Africa, all over the world can come to and then look at awesome website design. If your website is very good, they will pay for it, and they can even pay for it on a monthly basis, and you just be enjoying salary on your own. Trust me, it's a lot. And we have a very solid connection in Akure and in Lagos, all over Nigeria, where we can connect you to the right set of businesses that need your service. So pay attention to this bootcamp, study it well. I wish you the best of luck. So I think this is where, why would I do that without even going through the developer platform? In our preliminary stuff, I've introduced the developer stuff for you. This is the developer dashboard. I've logged in already, so I don't need to log in again. But you're supposed to log in. Also, the developer dashboard is currently restricted. You cannot see anything until you complete your course. So go ahead and complete your course, complete the whole ABCD program, and you'll be able to have access to the developer dashboard. On the developer dashboard, you will see these tabs: overview. The designs you make will appear here, and there will be analysis on the amounts of money you have earned per design and people that visit your design page. And then there is the learning part. Currently, the only thing we are running is the ABCD bootcamp. Over time, there will be more things to learn about React, Laravel, Bootstrap, and so on and so forth. And then there will be the community where you can connect with people. And then one thing that is missing from here is the API key page where you get your API keys, the unique code for you to upload designs on Monagree. Without those codes, you won't be able to upload design. But you don't need it until you're done with the program. So yeah, thank you very much. Daniel out.